Who can create a new inventory and how? To create a new inventory, you must be a team owner in the given team. Start by navigating to the Inventories tab and clicking Items in the drop-down. Select the New Inventories button on your Inventories home screen, name the inventory, and then click Create. Your new inventory will now appear in the inventory list. You can organize your view by rearranging the columns, resizing them, and reordering the list based off the column's information. To start creating custom columns and adding items, simply click on the inventory name. Detailed instructions on these steps will be provided in upcoming videos. You can personalize inventories for various use cases such as samples, reagents, cell lines, antibody, plasmids, instruments, and more.